Hi, did you know that AMD made the world's fastest computer processor in 2021? So, what does AMD do? Hello, friends, you're listening to Akash, and my channel Stocktok shares analysis of some of the most fascinating companies in the world. AMD is a global semiconductor company and focuses on high performance computing technology. The full form for AMD is Advanced Micro Devices. AMD is run by Lisa Su as their president and CEO since 2014. She has studied at MIT and the company has been in existence since 1969. It's listed on the Nasdaq as AMD and has about 15,000 employees globally. Product portfolio focuses on PCs for notebook processors, gaming for graphic cards, data centers for computing platforms, communications for FPGAs and SoCs, and embedded technology for system optimization. GPU stands for Graphic Processing Units, FPGAs are Field Programmable Gate Arrays, DPU is Data Processing Units, SoCs stand for System on a Chip, and NIC stands for Network Interface Cards. These are the key products under AMD. Total addressable market for AMD stands at about 135 billion, with majority focusing on data centers and PCs, followed by embedded technology and gaming. Other industries for AMD include semiconductors, artificial intelligence, GPUs, graphic cards, consumer electronics, video games, cloud gaming, and computer hardware. AMD focuses on innovation and in the last 5 years has increased the density of microchips by over 200 times and increased their energy efficiency by over 3 times. This has helped in a strong reduction of the size of the microchips that they manufacture. Their top clients includes Amazon, Alibaba, Microsoft, Google, IBM, Oracle, Tencent, Dell, and Asus, just to name a few. For research and development, AMD focuses on high-performance computing, advanced memory technology, machine intelligence, and low-power utilization. For the last 20 years, they have been consistently increasing their R&D spend, and in 2021, their R&D spend was close to $2.8 billion US. This is how the 5-year stock chart of the company looks like. It has a market cap of 147 billion and a PE ratio of 38. If you look at the financials for the last 5 years, revenue and net income has been consistently growing for AMD and stood at 16 billion revenue and a net income of 3 billion for 2021. About 31 analysts cover the stock, out of which 11 have a strong buy or a buy rating. Currently, the average consensus price of the stock stands at 124, whereas currently it is trading at 91. Competition stocks include Nvidia, Intel, Micron, Qualcomm, and Marvell Technology. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have made over 50 videos like this about different fascinating companies in the world, for which I'll share a link in the description below. Do see them as well and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.